You're my sweetest addiction, you're my strongest inspiration, and I love you. It's true, there's no mountain I could not climb as long as you are mine, and I thank you for being you. I'll be your best friend. I'll be your guide whenever you need me. I'll be by your side. I love you more and more and more each day. I love you more and more and more than I can say. You're my sweetest addiction, you're my strongest inspiration, and I love you. It's true, there's no mountain I could not climb as long as you are mine, and I thank you for being you. Been waiting for you all my life. You are my dream come true.
I'm ready to go, guys. Ito na yung snacks ni Rachel. At saka meron din siyang yogurt at salud. So, iiwan ko lang ito dito sa refrigerator. May rice na tayo. And, yeah, si Daddy na lang ang gagawa ng itlog at saka beef sausage ni Rachel. So, ayan. Last day ko na ito ng work. So, I'm so excited kay medyo gikapoy na po ko. I need a little break. Break time ko ngayon. So, pupunta na ako ng park after.
A few moments later.
Recess time na naman ng mga bata. Nandito kami sa park. Yan. Stop by muna tayo dito sa sa Dollar Tree kasi may bibilhin lang kami. And then after here, baka pupunta kami ng thrift store. Yeah, kay may bibilhin ng may hinahanap ako na 2 things doon. Hopefully available doon, available. Okay, so yeah. Yeah, today nga pala ang last day ko, and it was a very quiet day. 10 lang yung yung students today, and we didn't really do a lot. Yeah. All right, see you inside the Dollar Tree.
What is this? Is this a?
Like this one of grass up there.
They actually have these kind of flowers in my science book, and they said they're daisies.
That's what it is. Daisies.
Yeah, small daisies.
I thought the daisies were the ones that you blow and they fly off.
That's the dandelion.
That is fine. Ano pa ba? What are these? Folders. Ano ito? Oh. So, monthly year. Ano siyang calendar? Yeah, ito lang kailangan ko. And Clorox. Dollar Tree. Tapos meron na silang tag $5, $3 na items. Kindly put this in the cart. Okay. Dito tayo sa guys, sa thrift. Ayan. Cute siya, I like it. Pero, I think kailangan ko maglagay ng blazer. Ayan. Ito yung pangalawa. Yan. Untailor siya, char. Pero gusto ko siya ng kailangan ko ng belt. Bibilhan ko lang siya ng belt. And then nag-match din yung ko. Nag-match din yung yan. Balik na naman kami dito sa pond. I-check namin si Vertigo. Kumusta na kaya si Vertigo? Uy, makamiss ba yan?